Doing nothing means you are aware, one. Here I say you are aware of what is happening. The thoughts are coming and going, thank you. Body lives in the state of sensation and steadiness. It's okay. Some noise is outside. Okay, it's happening. You are not doing that. I-ness is not there. The doer is not there. So when the doer is not there, we talked about the huh? Three types of temporary solutions drops by itself. Mind goes into meditation. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Om Shanti, shanti, shanti. Om Shanti, shanti, shanti. We're going to share our experiences, but before, bring the mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your Buddha palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down and we will share our experiences. How are you, Sophie?
Hello, Girish. How are you? I am. I thank you for this meditation. I think part of the, at some point I was not really asleep, but I was not really there. So I couldn't hear what you were saying. But then I became conscious again.
Conscious.
Yeah, and I'm good now.
You're good
You're
now.
good now. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it took
yeah.
some time. No
No
worries.
worries. Yeah.
How are you, John?
Okay, Girish.
Okay, Girish.
Uh, it was
It was
it was
it was
fine.
fine.
I
I
had
had
no
no
distractions,
distractions,
no fire
no
alarm,
fire alarm,
no phone
no
call.
phone call.
It was
It
fine.
was fine.
Very good.
Very good.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
phone makes
phone
you
makes you
crazy
crazy
because
because
craziness
craziness
doesn't
is
the
just
phone.
the phone.
I'll not say too much, you should not. So, so yes, yes. How are you, Anne Hoffman?
That's my name. Yeah, I felt very good. I had that when I meditate, that inside space. I felt a very big space around, and I didn't feel like coming out of it because it
That's
was a very
beautiful.
a very peaceful feeling.
That is wonderful. That is the importance. The knowledge goes inside the head, becomes clear. The knowledge lives in the intellect. It prevents the mind to go anywhere outside. That is what the John was explaining. That is why you and Sophie was explaining. That is beautiful. How are you, Terry, my friend?
I was I felt separate from my physical
body.
body.
That is good.
Yeah, and so was happier and tolerated all events more peacefully.
Beautiful, beautiful. I send again the weekly reminders, so you have the email. I was just checking the email. Your email has come.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So,
I found that.
yeah. So you see that separation, what she is saying. She's attending other sessions, so that when the moment in your mind, not physical separation, when you are in your mind, you are aware of the separation from the body. The mind has to relax. It is bound to be in the state of calmness. So, how are you, Charlie?
I am good. My mind wanted to stay outside, but I very much wanted to come within. So I just kept bringing myself back, and then I just felt like I dropped down into a space, and then all of a sudden it was the end. You were chanting the Om Shanti Shanti, and I was like, oh, that went quickly. So yes, very, very good. My mind, I was able to bring my mind back inside quite easily. That was good.
Quite easily. That is a good point to understand. It should happen quite easily every time, all the time. And when it happens all the time in all the situations, we are going deeper and deeper. So, how are you, Meet?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, here I am. Good. I felt a kind of clarity, a
Good.
kind of like going through the forest when there's no more forest.
Yeah, yeah. A sense of emptiness prevails.
Yes.
And sense of emptiness prevails also means the same thing, that the mind has left the world outside and it has gone inside. It wants to stay there. So at a deeper level, it gives you an awareness, oh, I'm separate from the body, I'm not the body. And that goes deeper. So that is all for today. We will meet again. Thank you.
Thank you.